I have word that this should be one of the most exciting trips I've had for plant shopping in quite some time. So come on in with me and let's see what we can find. Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. Don't forget, like and subscribe and give me a hype. A friend of mine let me know that they had some new drops here, some really hard to find plants, so I'm so excited. Also, some of you responded to my last video, the question I asked about the Hoyas, and you said you'd like me to take a little bit more time showing them to you, so I'm going to do just that. Speaking of which, here is a cart of Hoyas. These are left over from Mother's Day. They've been here for quite some time, and they are 50% off. Let's see what this one is. This one is the Hoya Adrift. It's a hybrid. These are all in ceramic pots, and this plant would be only $5. That's a pretty good deal. And there's a lot of plant in the pot. Let's see what this one is. Now, these are the more common ones that tend to be here every week. This one is a Hoya Matilde Splash. It's really good looking. These plants are very healthy. They're in perfect shape, just on clearance. So gotta love that. Here's another one. I know what this one is. I have this one at home. It's a Hoya choke, or I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but I do know it's a cross between a carnosa and a serpens. There's a big fan going in the background. I hope it's not too loud. But either way, moving right along, I'm determined to give you all a good showing of these Hoyas. Let's see. I don't think that this is, yeah. Here's one you haven't seen. This is the Hoya Sea Stone, more commonly known as the Hoya Bertonier. I think that's pretty much most of the variety that is on this clearance cart, but you can see that some of them are in different pots, but they are $9.98 as well, so half price again, $5. So this one would be $5 as well. Cute little ceramic pots, a great deal, and an easy way to pick up some more common Hoyas. I didn't have a lot of Hoyas in my collection until recently, but at the prices that I'm finding them at the big box stores, I couldn't resist. I've been picking them up, and I do know that there are some really rare gems available today. Hopefully they're still here. Just checking over the cart, more of the Mother's Day leftovers. So let's move on and see what we see. The selection of plants this year has been amazing. And the size, look at the size of these calatheas. Painted ladies calatheas. We have some sansevieria over here. But for $27, I mean, before, when you found these plants, they were like $20 and they were small. Look at the size on these plants now. Going back to the calatheas, if you're a beginner, I wouldn't really recommend a calathea. They can be a little finicky. I do know that they do not like chlorinated water, so that's one tip. And if you're someone who grows calatheas, go ahead and share some of your tips in the comments. In fact, if you see any of these plants that people tend to struggle with and you are having success with them, I want this to be a community where we help each other. So feel free to give advice. And I don't know everything about plants. I'm just someone who loves plants just like you do. So getting back to the plants, over here we have some Dieffenbachia. Look at the variegation on these plants. Very pretty. And for only $20. And look at the size. Nursery pot sometimes is the way to buy your plants. You get a lot more plant in the pot. Nice lineup of neon pothos over here for $21. One of my favorite plants, easy to grow, beginner friendly, and it just really gives your collection some pop, a nice pop of color. It will not be ignored. I tell you, this plant is beautiful. And some philodendron Brazil down there, some scindapsus. The hanging pots are $21. Look at these Monstera Mints. Oh my goodness. They are $70. Oh my goodness. Nice fenestration and everything. Wow. Now, my friend told me that there were some plants I'd be excited about, but I was not told what the plants would be. Very nice Monstera Mint. Okay, nice calathea. This is beautiful. And look at the size of this plant. Oh, I love the burgundy underside of the leaf. And all of this for $30. Wow, this plant is huge. And look over here, even more Monstera mints. They're everywhere. And look at the size of them. And with fenestrations, this one looks better. It doesn't have all the browning on it. Oh my gosh. This is so tempting. I do not want to spend $70 on this plant. And they look so much like the white monster. And I do have a white monster. So I'm trying not to get both. But oh my goodness, look at them. Look at all of them. This is amazing. I never thought I'd see this in a big box store. And of course, some Tycons back here, but they're taking the back seat to these to these Monstera mints. But the large Tycons are $50, so they've come down as well. Look at the homolominas. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. These plants are amazing. And they got all of these in the last couple of days because I've been here and I did not see these. And this big beauty is $30. What a deal. And the pots are plastic. Look over here. You know what? These things are everywhere. It's driving me crazy. They are amazing. The fenestrations, oh my goodness. Nice size. These are looking really, really good. So, so tempting. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I need to move on so that I don't end up buying one of these by accident. So let's see. Here we are with more Hoyas. This is the Hoya Carnosa Freckled Splash. I have one of these. I've actually bought it twice, and I gave my first one to a friend, and I had a hard time finding one with a lot of freckles on it, with a lot of splash, and I recently did. But that is only $5.98. You cannot beat that price. Let's see if there's anything else under here that I haven't shown you. I'm trying not to show you the same things over and over. Here's a peperomia. It too is $5.98. These plants look so good. They're so vibrant and they just look well grown, well cared for. Here is one of my favorite plants. It's the Labesia curacura. I have had mine for several months now and I love it. This plant thrives in a warm, humid environment. I have mine in my plant cabinet. It does fine in medium to low light. It's a slow grower, and mine is actually giving me a couple of new leaves right now. Oh, look at this ficus over here. Of course, everything's on the top shelf because I'm short. Let's see. They're calling this plant Ghost Rider. Okay, I love the lime green leaves with the dark green splash on it. And these are selling for $20 in the ceramic pot. I like this one next to it even more. Look at this. I like this one more because it has more of the dark green, so there's more contrast. It looks like someone just splashed something on it. It looks so, this is such a nice looking little ficus. I struggled with ficus when I first started collecting plants, and still do. They do much better for me outside, planted in the yard. In my environment, it works well, but they definitely need a lot of light. Now here's something for my Hoya heads to get excited about. Look at this one. I purchased one of these. It is a Hoya Sarawak cream. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but look at the size of these big, waxy, beautiful leaves with the deep veining. This is so nice. Can't remember how much this plant cost, and I don't see a price on here. Hold on, let me find you a price. Just look at another one. Okay, $19.98, so $20. Very nice. I love this one. This is one of my favorites. Look at this one. Some of them are already so big. The leaves are a nice size. They have nice long trails on them for $20. See if there's anything else hidden up under here. This Aglaonema next to it is really pretty. I don't think I've seen this one before. It's an Aglaonema Osaka. and it is $20. I'm honestly in overload right now. I've never found this many nice plants and hard to find plants at a big box store at the same time. I just haven't. Look at this Tradescantia. This is such a nice looking plant. I really like this one as well. I'm trying to find a price for you. It's $20. I mean, look, these plants look really good and they're nice size for the price, and the quality is excellent. Some more little Hoyas over here, a Hoya carnosa. Really, really cute. And in the pot, it is $9.98 with the decorative pot. And let's see. Hopefully they have some more. Maybe I'm just being greedy. I'm like, maybe they have more hard to find ones that you just don't find here. These Hoya carnosas in these wicker hanging baskets look really nice for $20. And shout out to Janice, a person I met shopping for plants, and I invited her to join our plant family. Always nice to talk plants with a fellow plant lover. Here's another Hoya. I can't pronounce it, but I purchased it a few months ago, one of these a few months ago, and I really like it. I'm enjoying it. And this is $5.98. What do you see so far that you would have purchased? I want a lot, but I'm going to another store that I hear also has some additional nice plants. And if they do, I'll make sure I record that as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Your engagement really helps to grow my channel and to get it referred. So thank you so much. Stay well, take care, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.